Hello everyone, I am Biswajit Mondal and welcome to my YouTube channel Target Mathematics. So today we will start discussing the KVS TGT mathematics paper which was held on 14th February morning shift. Okay, 14th February morning shift this year 2023. Okay, this year only it was held. So after a long time I am again back in front of you because of the NVS interview that was in Goa. I had to go to Goa for NVS interview. Okay, just one day back I returned from Goa to my home. Okay, that's why I could not come in the YouTube platform. So today I brought for you the KVS TGT answers, solutions. Okay, we will do detailed solutions of the KVS TGT question paper, mathematics question paper. So be ready, and if I get sufficient comments, I will also share in some video my experience of NVS interview which was held on I think 29th February. 29th February, yeah, not 29th February, mathematics 23rd February. It was held on 23rd February 2023. Okay, so I attended the interview for direct recruitment drive, but unfortunately I could not attend the interview for the special recruitment drive. As all of you know, or I already shared, that I qualified all the 4 CBT exams, 2 TGT and 2 PGT for Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. All the 4 exams, CBT exams, I qualified, but I could not attend the special recruitment drive interview. Okay, TGT interview I could not attend. That was on 17th February. Okay, due to the KVS exams. So anyway, today without wasting time, we will start discussion of the TGT mathematics paper of Kendriya Vidyalaya Samiti. Okay, or Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. So anyway, without delaying, let us go to the screen and let's see what type of questions they have asked. And again I am telling that we will go in detail. Okay, detailed solution we will do, and whenever shortcut trick will be applicable, that also I will mention, I will apply. Okay, so after that also, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, in the next video I will try to reply your comments. So on the screen, the first problem all of you can see. Now again, before starting the problems, let me tell you the structure of the question papers. That will be helpful those who have not written the KVS exam but are preparing for the same. Okay, and want to write it in the next time. For them it will be useful. So the KVS TGT question pattern or question paper pattern was like that. Total 180 questions were there. Okay, total 180 questions, total number of questions 180. Total number of questions was 180. Okay, out of that 100 marks was for mathematics. Okay, 100 marks was for mathematics, and the remaining 80 marks was for, there was pedagogy portion, there was reasoning, there was computer application, there was general English, there was general Hindi, and these things constitutes these 80 marks. Okay, total 80 marks. and the remaining 100 marks was the mathematics part. Okay. So for maths part, math question will start from question number 81 to 180. Okay. The first 80 questions, question number 1 to 80, this was for the general part. Okay. This was for the general part. And for the mathematics part, question number 81 to question number 180. Okay. So I think the question pattern is clear to all of you. And if you want more detailed discussion about the question pattern and what were the marks division for each part, then you can comment me. I will make a separate video for that. Okay. So don't worry. Let us go for the solution. So question number 81, this is the first question for mathematics. Okay. So here what is the question? N is given, that is equal to 2 to the power cube into 3 to the power 4 into 7 into 15 to the power 6. Then the number of consecutive zeros in n are. So how many consecutive zeros will be there? Okay. One after another. Consecutive means one after another. No break will be there. Okay. So that is called consecutive zeros. So how to find this? We have to find the 10 to the power. What factor will include in this positive integer n? Okay. 10 to the power whatever power will be there, that many consecutive zeros will be there. Okay. In this positive integer. So just write n is equal to what is given, 2 to the power cube into 3 to the power 4 into 7 into 15 to the power 6. Okay. So what I will do, I will write 2 to the power cube as it is. I will write 3 to the power 4. I will write 7 and 15 I will write 3 into 5. Okay. So 15 I will write 3 into 5. I want to take 10 to the power, that is out. I want to take it out. So 2 to the power cube into 3 to the power 4 into 7 into this term I can write 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. So now what I will do, I will write 2 to the power cube. This 2 to the power cube I have written here, and from this 5 to the power 6 I will take 5 to the power cube. Okay. And remaining 5 to the power cube I will write just beside it. Then I will write 3 to the power 4. I will write 7. I will write 3 to the power 6. Anyway, now 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power cube, that means I can write 10 to the power cube. Okay. So then 5 to the power cube into 5 to the power cube into, now 3 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 6. So powers will be added. So 3 to the power 10 into 7. Okay. So now you can clearly answer the question that how many consecutive zeros will be there. There will be 3 zeros at the end of this positive integer. Okay. Because 10 to the power cube is there. Whenever you will multiply any number by 10 to the power cube, then 3 zeros will be produced at the end. Okay. So 3 zeros will be there. So the total number of consecutive zeros will be 3. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So I think it is clear to everyone. So can we move to the next question? Yes. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Now question number 82. That is also very simple question from HCF or GCD. Sometimes we call it GCD. GCD stands for greatest common divisor and HCF stands for highest common factor. Okay. So here they are telling the HCF of 210 and 55 is expressed as 210 into 5 plus 55x. Then the value of x is what? So what I will do, first I will determine the GCD of these two numbers 55 and 210. Okay, so 55 into 4 means 4 5 20, 4 5 20, 2 not 4 3. I can write 3, so 3 5 15, 3 5 15 116. So now 5, just I am dividing 210 by 55 to find the GCD. So 5 5, okay, 6 1 7 7 4 and 1 1 2 45, okay, 45, then again 55 we will divide 45 1 45. Now this will become 10, so 10, again we will divide 45 by 10, so 10 4 40. Now 5 5 we will divide 10 by 5, then 5 to 10. So what is the GCD? Can you tell? This 5 is the GCD of these two numbers, or HCF, whatever you call it, 55 and 210. Okay, 5 is the HCF of these two numbers 55 and 210. So now 5 they are expressing in this way. So just write the equation. 5 they are expressing in the way 210 into 5 plus 55x. So we have to find the value of x. So that is as simple as you are thinking. So 5 just cancel from both sides, so it will become 210 plus 11x. So from here what we are getting, 11x is equal to minus 209, is not it? So that is equal to x is equal to minus 209 divided by 11, minus 209 divided by 11, is not it? So what is the answer? Option number 4 is the correct answer. Okay, option number 4 is the correct answer for this question. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 83. Now what is this number? Whether it is irrational number or a rational number or an integer or a natural number. So we have to decide it. So for deciding it, let us see what we can do, how we can change the expression root 2 plus root 7 in the numerator, and in the denominator it is root over of 2 minus root 7. So what we can do, okay, let us see by doing in this way. If we are not successful, we will try another way. Okay, first what I will do, I will take total root over. Okay, total root over I am taking. So the above will become root 2 plus root 7 whole square, and below I will write 2 minus root 7. Okay, that we can write. So then again I will take total root over, and root 2 plus root 7 means it will be a plus b whole square formula we will apply here. So we will get a square plus b square plus 2ab, that means 2 into root 7, 2 into root 14. Okay, 2 into root 14 divided by 2 minus root 7. Okay, so again what we will get from here, so in the numerator we will get 9 plus 2 root 14, and we want to multiply by the conjugate of 2 minus root 7. So what is that? 2 plus root 7. Okay, so in the denominator also I will write 2 minus root 7 into 2 plus root 7. So let's see what we are getting. So in the numerator we will get 9 into 2 means 18 plus 9 root 7 plus 4 root 14 plus 2 root 14 into 7, okay, divided by, and this is a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So then next what we will do? Okay, so it will become 18 plus here C17 will come outside. Okay, anyway, first let me write it, plus 9 root 7 plus 4 root 14 plus 2 into 7 means 14 root 2 divided by 4 minus 7, that is equal to minus 3. Okay, so what we are getting, okay, have I done correct calculation? If I have done correct calculation, then this question may be wrong. Okay, wrongly they have formulated the question. If I have done correct calculation, then the question is wrong, because in the option there is no complex number. Okay, an irrational number, a rational number, an integer, a natural number. So this will become, because under root is there. Okay, under root is there. So under root we are getting negative sign. So anyway, this will not be a real number at all. Okay, root 2 plus root 7 we are making whole square, so we are getting this, then 2 plus root 7 we are multiplying, then anyway we will get positive only, and 2 plus root 7, 2 to 4 minus 7 minus 3. Okay, anyway, this problem I think it is wrong. Okay, I think this problem is wrong. So none of the options is correct. Okay, none of the options is correct, because it will not be a real number at all. Okay, it will not be a real number at all, because we are getting negative sign inside root over. So anyway, if you are getting any other answer, so let me inform. Okay, let you inform me in the comment section, so I will check that one. So anyway, let's move to the next question, question number 84. Now what they are asking here, by fundamental theorem of arithmetic, if p is a prime number and it divides q square, the q greater than 0, then this is a straightforward result. Okay, that we have studied in number theory in our BSc. Okay, in our BSc in number theory we have studied, if p is a prime number and p divides q square, that will imply p divides q. Okay, p is a prime number, p is prime. So if you want to see the proof, just go through the chapter in the number theory which we have studied in our BSc. Okay, there this proof is done. So p divides q, question option number 1 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, by fundamental theorem of arithmetic, if p is a prime number and it divides q square, where q greater than 0, then p divides q. By example also you can verify this thing. By example also you can verify this thing. So let's move to the next question, question number 85. Choose the number which has non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Now when or how to decide whether a fraction will terminate terminating decimal or not, that we know. How we know? First we have to, what is the process for that? First we have to reduce the fraction. Okay, first we have to reduce the fraction. In the reduced form, if the denominator is in this form, 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Okay, denominator. Numerator can be anything in the reduced form, but remember it is in the reduced form. Okay, so the denominator, if the denominator is in this form, then this will represent a terminating decimal. terminating decimal. Okay, so we will check which options will be terminating. The remaining option will be the answer. We will check the options here. Okay, the first option is 11 by 80. So 80, how we can write? 2 into 40, 2 into 2 into 20, 20 again I can write 2 into 10, again 10 I can write 2 into 5, so this is 80. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, into 5 80. Okay, so it is of the form 11 divided by 2 to the power 4 into 5. So it is of the form this. So this is terminating. Okay, so this option is not correct here, because they have asked non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, so this option is not correct. So then come to the next option. So 45 by 360. So first we have to reduce it. So how to reduce it? 9 into 5 45, and 9 into 4 36. So 9 into 5 45. That means 1 by 8. 1 by 8. So this is of the form 1 by 2 cube. 2 cube into 5 to the power 0 we can write. So this will also terminate. Okay, this will also terminate. 2 cube into 5 to the power 0 we can write. So this option is also striked out. So this option cannot be correct. So next option. Okay, sorry. Okay, so what we were telling, that 5 by 40 we can write 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power 0. So it will also terminate. It will also terminate. Okay, the first one was also terminating. So second option is also striked out. So come to the third option, 63 by 240. 63 by 240. So whether it is possible to reduce it. Okay, we can reduce it by 3. 3 into 2, 3 into 1, 3 into 8, 21 by 80. 21 by 80. So 80 already we have evaluated here. See, 80 already we have evaluated. So the denominator will be of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Okay, so this will also be terminating. So third option also we can ignore. Okay, third option also we can ignore. So come to the fourth option. So only one possibility is there, that fourth option will be correct anyway. So again, if you are willing to check it, then we can check it. 93 by 420. Okay, fourth option is 93 by 420. So this can be reduced. Okay, we were going to check fourth option. Sorry for the interruption. Actually, some software problem is occurring. So the fourth option is 93 by 420. Okay, so we can reduce it. 3 into 3, 3 into 1. Okay, 93 by 420. So 93 by 420, we can reduce 3 into 3, 3 into 1, 3, 140. Okay, 31 by 140. 31 by 140. Now 140 you have to factorize and you have to see whether it is in the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n or not. 270, 235, 57. Okay, so this we can write 31 divided by 2 to the power square into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1. So this will be non-terminating repeating decimal number. This will represent non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, so option number 4 is the correct answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. Question number 86. So that is a very simple problem. Which of the following number is a prime number? Okay, by checking the options we have to decide here, because for checking prime number there is no particular algorithm. Okay, so we have to see whether it has a factor other than 1 and itself or not. If it has a factor other than 1 and itself, then we will say this number is a prime number. Not prime number, this number is not a prime number. Okay, so first check 253, option number 2, 253. This we can divide by 11. See, very easily we can see 11 into 2, 22, 22 3, 3, 11 3, 33. So 11 is a factor of 253. Okay, so this is not a prime number, so option 2 is discarded. Now come to option 3, 247. Okay, 247. Now 247, I think that will be divisible by 13. 13 into 1, 13, 1, 11, yeah, 13 into 1, 13, then we will get 11 and 7, 117. So 13 into 9, 9, 3, 27, 9, 1, 9 and 2, 11. So 13 and 19 is a factor. Okay, 13 is a factor as well as 19 is a factor of 247. So it is also not a prime number, 247. And 377, option number 4, see 377, this we can check very easily. Okay, 377. So 13, 2, 26, 11, again 13. Okay, 13 will work. 13, 2, 26, 26, 11, 117, 13, 9, 117. Okay, so 13 as well as 29 are the factors of 377. So it is also not a prime. So only one possibility is option number 1. Okay, that is a prime number. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Now here they are saying if alpha beta are zeros of the polynomial, this then the value of alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 is what? So zeros means x square minus p into x plus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. It has two roots alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. So this equation again I can rearrange it: x square minus px minus of p plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, this equation has two roots alpha and beta, so we have alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Okay, if we have the quadratic equation, this one ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If it is having two roots alpha and beta, then we have the sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, and the product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. So that formula we will apply here. Alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a, that means p, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. So minus of p plus 9 by 1. Okay, that means minus of p plus 9. So now we have to find the value of alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1. So what it will be? It will be alpha beta plus beta plus 1. Okay, so alpha beta value means minus p minus 9, alpha plus beta means plus p and plus 1. So what we are getting, p will be cancelled, and minus 9 plus 1 means minus 8. So minus 8 is the correct answer. So option 3 is the correct answer for question number 87. Okay, so I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, so can we move to the next question? Yes, of course. So the next question is on the screen, question number 88. So one equation is given, then we have to find the value of x. Okay, so what we can do for that? Okay, 4 to the power 2x minus 1, 4 to the power 2x minus 1, that we can write 4 to the power 2x divided by 4, and minus 16 to the power x minus 1, that we can write 4 to the power 2x minus 2, that is equal to 384, that is given. Okay, because 16 is equal to 4 square. Okay, 4 square is equal to 16. So 4 to the power 2x divided by 4 minus, here I can write 4 to the power 2x divided by 16 is equal to 384. Okay, so now what I will do, I will take 4 to the power 2x common. So I can take 4 to the power 2x common, then it will become 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16, that is equal to 384. Now that again, if we simplify a little bit, I am doing some step jump. Okay, 384 into 16 I will write, and 4 minus 1, so 3. So what I can do, 3 and this will be cancelled, 3 1 3 মানে 6 2 8 24 3 8 24, 128 into 16. So 128 into 16. Okay, so then next what we can do, now 128, if we try to split it, what we will get, will we get some 4 to the power something? Can we get 4 3 4 4 2 8 1 2 will be extra. Okay, so what we can do, we will do it like this. Now this is 128 is nothing but 4 cube into 2, is not it? And 16 we can write 2 to the power 4. Okay, so this is nothing but 4 to the power 2x. So now 4 to the power cube, this we can write 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 6 into 2 into 2 to the power 4. So that is equal to 2 to the power 11. And in the left hand side we can write 2 to the power 4x. Okay, 4 to the power 2x means 2 to the power 4x. So from here what we are getting, 4x is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11 by 4. The questions are little bit lengthy, but they are easy, of course. So x is equal to 11 by 4. Then the value of x. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay, for this question. So let's move to the next question. Question number 89. So x and y are two positive real numbers such that 8x cube plus 27 y cube is equal to 730 and 2x square y plus 3x y square is equal to 15. Then the value of 2x plus 3y. We have to find the value of 2x plus 3y. So first what I will do, I will take whole cube, 2x plus 3y whole cube is equal to what we will get, a cube. A cube means 8x cube plus b cube means 27y cube, okay, plus 3a square b. So 3, okay, 3a square b, instead of writing, what I can do, 3ab into a plus b, okay, I will do 3ab into a plus d, that formula we will use. So 3ab, 3 into 2 6, 6 into 3 18, 18xy into 2x plus 3y, a plus b, okay, that is the formula for a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, okay, that is the formula for a plus b whole cube. So that formula we have used here. So then what I will do, 8x cube plus 27y cube, that value is given 730, okay. So 730 I will write this much, I will write 730 plus 18 I will take out, but xy I will put inside, okay. So then it will become 2x square y plus 3x y square, okay. So after doing this, what I can do, 730 plus 18 into, now this value again is known to us. So this value, what is this value? This value is 15. So 15. So okay, is it clear to everyone? So 730 plus 15টা 120 শূন্য হাত থাকে 12, 15 কে 15 আর 12 27, 270. So 730 plus 270 means 1000. So this was the value for 2x plus 3y whole to the power 3, okay. So what will be the value of 2x plus 3y then? That will be 10, okay, that will be 10. So 10 is the correct answer. So option number 2 is the correct answer here, okay. So hope it is clear to everyone. If again after that also if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I will try to reply you in the next video, okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 90. So x is equal to, is given 1 divided by 2 minus root 3, okay. So let me simplify it first. X is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus root 3. So this we can multiply by 2 plus root 3, both numerator and denominator. Then in the denominator it will become a square minus b square. So 4 minus 3, okay. I have written directly, so you can calculate it in your own. So x is equal to simply 2 plus root 3, okay. Now what I will do, I will take this 2 in this side, x minus 2 is equal to root 3. So now I will make it whole cube both side, okay. X minus 2 whole cube is equal to 3 root 3. If you make the right hand side whole cube, then it will become 3 root 3. So now expand this, x minus 2 whole cube. So a cube minus 3a square b. So 3 into 2 6 x square minus 6 x square, okay. If I am doing any mistake in the calculation, then you should inform me, okay. So minus 6x square plus 3ab square, 3 4 12, 12x plus 12x and minus 8 is equal to 3 root 3. Now which formula I have applied here? A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, okay. That formula I have applied here, okay. So I think it is clear to everyone. Now we have to find the value of this one only, we have to find. See here the expression in the question, x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 is equal to 3 root 3. This is very simple. So option 3 is the correct answer, 3 root 3. So we will go to the next question, question number 91. So one of the factors of 25x square minus 1 plus 1 plus 5x whole square. is equal to what? So one of the factor we have to find. So this term, this first term, see, we can write 5x plus 1 into 5x minus 1, that we can write a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b plus 1 plus 5x whole square. So now from these two terms, see, two different terms are there, we can take common 1 plus 5x. So it will become 5x minus 1 plus 1 plus 5x. So 1 will be cancelled, 5x plus 5x means 10x, so it will become 10x into 1 plus 5x. So one of the factors of this they have asked. So what will be the answer? 1 plus 5x. 1 plus 5x or 5x plus 1 is one of the factors. So option 4 is the correct answer, 5x plus 1. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 92. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, these are 2 and minus 3, then we have to find the values of a and b. Okay, we have to find the values of a and b. So again, this is the quadratic equation of this form, that we know ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if it is having two roots alpha and beta. Then we have alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay, that all of we know. That all of we know. Now from this question, according to the question, we have the equation x square plus a plus 1 into x plus b is equal to 0. This will be the quadratic equation, and it has two roots, 2 and minus 3. Okay, 2 and minus 3. So sum of the roots will be 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus b by a, so that is a plus 1 by 1, and 2 into minus 3, that means product of the roots, that is minus 6 is equal to c by a, that means only b by 1. So from here what we are getting, minus a minus 1 is equal to minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, so a will become 0 and b will become minus 6. A is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 6. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so is it clear to everyone or not? So it should be clear to everyone. So let's move to the next question. Question number 93. If in a polynomial this sum of zeros is equal to half their product, okay, then the value of k is what? So this is a polynomial, sum of the zeros, they are talking about the zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial is nothing but the roots of this equation, x square minus k plus 6 into x plus 2 into 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us say alpha and beta are two roots of this quadratic equation. Then they are saying sum of zeros. So alpha plus beta is equal to half their product, half into alpha beta. Now we know what is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is nothing but k plus 6. Okay, and half into alpha beta means 2 into 2k minus 1. Okay, product of the roots. So now just simplify it to find the value of k. 2 will be cancelled. So 2k minus k, that means k, and 6 plus 1, that means 7. Okay, k is equal to 7. So 7 is the correct answer. So option 2 is the correct answer here. So question number 93, option 2 is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 94. So if a linear equation has solutions minus 3 comma 3, 2 comma minus 2 and 4 comma minus 4, then it is of the form, what is the form of this equation? Okay, now from the form of these points we can easily guess that here x is equal to, these points will satisfy x is equal to minus y. Okay, x is equal to minus y. Everywhere, see, this condition is satisfied. So that means x plus y is equal to 0. This is the equation. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Very simple. Without doing any calculation, just by looking at the problem, you can answer the question very easily. Okay. So this is the answer for question number 94. Now next, 95. The graph of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 cuts the y-axis at the point. Okay. So this is the equation of a line. Now whenever it will cut y-axis, on the y-axis x is equal to 0, always we know x is equal to 0. Okay, so put x is equal to 0 in this equation. So what you will get, 3y is equal to 8, so y is equal to 8 by 3. So the point is 0 comma 8 by 3. Okay, 0 comma 8 by 3. Option 4 is the correct answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. Question number 96. Now which of the following option expresses this in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Just calculation, just a little bit of calculation will lead you to the answer. We have to write this equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so what I will do, 5y minus 8x is equal to, right hand side I can write 7x plus 7y minus 9. So just everything we will take it to the right hand side. Okay, so 7x plus 8x will be 15x, 7y minus 5y will become plus 2y, and minus 9 will be equal to 0. So 15x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. So option number 2, option 2 is the correct answer. 15x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. So let's move to the next question. Question number 97. So if the point 2k minus 3 in comma k plus 1 lies on the linear equation 2x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, then value of k is what? So this point they are saying it is lying on this line. Okay, so as this point is lying on this line means this point will satisfy this equation. So just put the value of x and y. 2 into x means 2k minus 3 into y means k plus 1 plus 12 is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of k. So 4k minus 6 minus 3k minus 3 plus 12 is equal to 0. So 4k minus 3k means only k, and 6 3 9, 9 and 3 12. So k is equal to minus 3. K is equal to minus 3. If I am not wrong in the calculation, then k is equal to minus 3 is the correct answer. So option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 98. So graphically the two linear equations 3x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0 with x-axis will enclose a. Okay, graphically we have to solve this. So the first equation we can write 3x plus y is equal to 6. So in the intercept form, how we can write x by 2 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. And the second equation in the same way, if we want to write 3x minus y is equal to minus 6. So this will become x divided by minus 2 plus y divided by 6 is equal to 1. Yes or no? Yes. So now let us try to figure it out that which portion they will cover. So suppose in 2 dimension, this is our origin, this is positive x-axis, this is positive y-axis, and this side will be negative x-axis and this side will be negative y-axis. So the first line will be, the intercepts will be 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. So 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 6, it will be somewhat like this. Okay, accurately I can't draw here, just for understanding. This is 2 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 6. Okay, this point is 0 comma 6, and come to the second line. The intercepts will be minus 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. So minus 2 comma 0 will be somewhere in this side and 0 comma 6 will be same point, this point. So this is minus 2 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0. So what type of triangle we will get here? So what type of triangle we will get here? Okay, sorry again. Okay, let's come back to our problem. This I have already told you that this point will be minus 2 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0. So anyway, whatever it is, so let this point be A, this point is B and this point is C. Now what about the triangle ABC that they are asking? What type of triangle it is? So first of all we can see that anyway it will not be a right angled triangle. Okay, it will not be a right angled triangle. So option 4 cannot be correct. Now second thing, we are seeing that AB is equal to AC. Okay, if you measure the distance 6 0 plus 2 0 plus 2, yeah, AB is equal to AC. Okay, if you find the length of AB and AC, you will see AB is equal to AC. Two sides are equal. Okay, and what will be the length of each side? So it will be root over of 0 plus 2 whole square means 4 and 6 means 36. So 36 plus 4 means root over 40. Okay, root over 40. But BC is equal to to 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, BC is equal to 4. So AB is equal to AC, but they are not equal to BC. So this will be a definitely isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. A scalene triangle, they will not be, it will not be scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the sides will be of different lengths. Okay, scalene triangle. Now it is not also equilateral triangle, because in a equilateral triangle all the sides will be equal. Okay, so it is a isosceles triangle. So this is the correct answer. Option number 2 is the correct answer for the question number 98. So let's move to the next question, question number 99. If pair of linear equations this and this has infinitely many solutions, then the value of A. Okay, for this I will tell you the theory. Suppose we have two linear equations, A1x plus B1y is equal to C1, and another equation A2x plus B2y is equal to C2. Then this system of linear equations will have infinite number of solutions if and only if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay, in that case they will have a infinite number of solution. So here also they are telling that these two equations have infinitely many solutions. Okay, then we have to find the value of A. So for infinitely many solutions we have the condition A divided by 12 is equal to 3 divided by A is equal to 3 minus A divided by minus A. Okay, this is the condition. So from these first two relation, what we can get, that A square is equal to 12 into 3 36. So A is equal to plus minus 6. Okay, plus minus 6 we are getting, but we have to verify whether this will satisfy the remaining relation or not. Suppose we are taking these two relation, then what we will get, 3 divided by A is equal to A minus 3 divided by A. Anyway A is not equal to 0, so A we can cancel. Or okay, just multiply by 3A, because that may again lead us to some problem, a square minus 3a. So from here what we are getting, that a square minus 6a is equal to 0. So from here we are getting a into a minus 6 is equal to 0. But this is giving us two values, a is equal to 0 or a is equal to 6. So first two relations are giving us two values for a, one is plus 6 and minus 6, and the last two equations are giving us the values for a are 0 and 6. So which value is common? 6 is common in both. So a is equal to 6. The value of a is equal to 6 will be the correct answer. Okay. The value of a will be equal to 6. So option number 3 is the correct answer for this question. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 100. Okay. This is also a very simple problem. Cost of 15 pens and 8 pencils is rupees 289, whereas cost of 8 pens and 15 pencils is rupees 240. So the cost of 3 pens and 3 pencils will be what? So let me take the cost of each pen is x rupees, okay, and cost of each pencil is equal to y rupees. Okay, in short I have written, so cost of each pen is x rupees and pencil is y rupees. So the first statement, that cost of 15 pens and 8 pencils is 289. So this is giving us 15x plus 8y is equal to 289. Okay. And the second statement, see, whereas cost of 8 pens and 15 pencils is 240. So 8 pens and 15 pencils is equal to 240. Just add them. Okay. So what we will get, 23 into x plus y is equal to 9 to 5, 5 to 9. So x plus y is equal to what? 5 to 9 divided by 23. So 23 into 2 means 46, 6, 69. Okay. This we can reduce like this, 22, 46, 6, 69, 3, 23 into 23. So okay, 23. So we have to find the cost of 3 pens and 3 pencils. Okay. 3 pens and 3 pencils, that means 3x plus 3y. So just multiply by 3 both sides. 3 into x plus y is equal to 23 into 3, that is equal to 3 into 3 9, 3 into 2 6, 69. So the cost of 3 pens and 3 pencils will be 69. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So hope these 20 questions which we have discussed in today's video are clear to everyone. Okay. So again I am telling, if you have further doubt, any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer your question in the next video. Okay. So total, again I am telling that total 100 questions are there in the TGT maths paper for mathematics section. So the first 20 questions we have solved in today's video, and in the next videos also we will come with the next 20 questions, and then again next 20 questions, like that. In 5 videos we will complete the total TGT maths paper. Okay, total 100 questions. Each video we will discuss 20 questions. So in 5 videos we will complete the total KVS TGT maths paper. Okay, so I think today's video will be helpful to all of you who have written the KVS TGT exam, as well as those who are preparing for any kind of TGT and PGT exams for mathematics. Okay, for them also it will be equally important. Okay, so please don't forget to like and share this video with your known ones, so that they can also get the benefit of this video. Okay, and again I am reminding you one thing, that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel for this type of useful videos. Okay, so anyway, today's video we are ending here, and See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.